Hi Vinod. So this issue is related to the default font option that we removed from the setting page, company setting page, and that option was being used in this add lead form notes and few other places. So what is happening is, like, see now this is the default value selected here, Times New Roman, and 16 is the font size. And now what I'm doing, I'm changing this font name to Georgia. So you see, I mean, even after selecting the other option, the field is not getting populated with the selected option. Also, I'm changing the font size to 36. In editor, it is reflecting, but in this editor options, it is not showing the selected values. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.